Hi and welcome again to another video. Today we will be unboxing and doing a little review on this Bones Swiss precision bearings that I purchased from Lazada. I purchased this for 330 pesos. That includes shipping. So when I first ordered this, I thought that this is legit because according to the ratings, the review, they say that it's the real deal. But upon looking at it now, it says here that it's made in Switzerland. Let's focus on that. Made in Switzerland here, but the sticker that's overlaying this product is saying that it's made in China. So right here we can see that there may be some, this may not be legitimate. But anyway, this is just 300 pesos, so let's see how it does. Sorry, marumi yung kuko ko. Oops. Yan. There. Bones. Oops. Okay. So this is what's inside. So I think we're missing one. Sorry, bobo ko. Ito. So here, there. Uy, and it comes with a sticker. And this is the, I believe, the care and maintenance instructions. Very useful. So Bones is the pro's choice since 1981, engineered for skating, skate rated, not ABEC, and the removable high-speed nylon ball cage, removable non blah blah blah. Anyway, let's just proceed with ito yung just yan siya. Focus tayo. Oops, yun. So yan. So ngayon, kukumpara natin siya dito sa ating, ito yung ating Shopee. Shopee skateboard equipped with ABEC 9. ABEC 9 yan siya daw. So nilagyan ko na siya ng ano. Ito yung performance ng ABEC 9. You could hear, sobrang ingay. Meron namang parang smooth. Ito dalawa dito, pero itong dalawa dito. Okay. Titingnan natin yung diferensya nila. So ngayon is let's just set this aside. Check mo. Hindi ko pa feel masyado. Pero okay. So set this aside. Sorry guys. Tsaka kung makikita nyo, meron siyang bones. Focus natin. Ayaw niya. Oops. Yun. Ito lang yung gagawin natin. Tatanggalin natin. Ayan. At ito ay ang aking lumang gulong. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko for testing kasi di ako marunong magtanggal ng bearing. So I will now try to figure out how to install this. Ganito ba yun? Ganito, I guess. Tapos ganito. Ba't ayaw? Madali lang naman siyang nag-fit kasi medyo maluwang na tong ano. Existing ko na ano. So yan na lang. Yan na lang. Tapos isa. That's how you do it. Then close natin. So we now have tightened this one, and this is the ABEC 9 wheel. This is the wheel equipped with ABEC 9 Shopee bearings. Ganyan siya kaingay at ganyan yung rotation niya. So okay rin naman. And here, let's this is the very old wheel, and this one is equipped with the somehow questionable bones bearings. Wala siyang ingay. Hindi siya ganun kabilis, pero wala talaga siyang ingay. Hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari pagka ano nito, pag ginamit na, pero as of now parang smooth na smooth. Ito. Anyway, sana makatulong to. Have a nice day. At saka thank you nga pala sa 169 subscribers. Baka naman pwede subscribe at saka like na din. Bye bye.